One of the things that you need to consider before filming is where you're going to film. You need to find a place that you can consistently film, that's open, that's away from distraction, and it's away from noise as well. When you first start this project, you don't know how long it's going to take to film. So try to find a place that gives you an unlimited amount of time. Depending on how you set up the newscast and when you film, it's probably going to be during a class. So make sure that they're not disturbing someone and make sure they're not being disturbed either. With that in mind, I wouldn't choose a classroom or a lunchroom or someplace that's busy, and I definitely would stay away from anything outside. Make sure your background and set aren't too cluttered. Sometimes less is more. I might suggest just a blank background like you see here, with maybe a few accent pieces to be added in. Once you start to get the hang of things, you might actually want to use a green screen. There are two things you're going to probably want to have on your set no matter what. The first thing is a nice sturdy desk that they can rest their hands on. The second thing is a nice chair that doesn't swivel or rock back and forth. This prevents them from moving around too much, which may distract the viewers.